how to query a transaction on your DBS credit card statement. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to let you guys know the ways to check DBS credit card transaction details in a number of ways. Now this includes, first of all, DBS iBanking. You could log in from your account or your device. So you just have to go ahead and type in dbs.com/login. When you type in that information, you'll be taken to their official page, which will look something like this. Now here, you want to go ahead and press the link that appears right on top, after which you have to go ahead and enter in your user ID. Once done, you'll be taken to the next page where you have to go ahead and select the credit card you want to check. After that, you want to go to the credit card payment transaction page where you'll be able to see your transaction details. So there you could go ahead and filter it out by month, year, or day. So this is the way you could do it. And likewise, you could also do it with your Dizzy Bank mobile. This is a similar way, or you could also use a web browser, or you could go with a DBS Card Plus. That is, you need to log in into your DBS Card Plus account and check your information. With that being said, we've completed the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.